The Innovation Station at Synchrony's Stamford office was in need of an efficient room reservation system for its conference rooms. The current system is confusing, it's hard to tell what rooms are available, and leads to rooms being double booked often. Our team worked with Synchrony to create a new room reservation system, built from the ground up, that integrates with Synchrony's calendar to deliver an easy-to-use, streamlined experience for all employees. Employees can check what rooms are available, reserve rooms, and manage their own reservations right from the app.
Our team utilized the Ionic Framework, which is an open-source UI toolkit for building mobile and desktop apps. Along with that, we used Angular and SQLite to develop the application. Since the app is largely database-centric, we began our design process by creating our database schemas and building sample tables. We then worked on developing the SQL queries that would be utilized in the application.
Once we had the foundation, we moved to connecting our database to a front end using Ionic. The Ionic Framework uses Cordova plugins to make integrating with SQLite simple. We then work on building out the front end of the application using Ionic's UI components like cards and daytime pickers to make the user experience delightful.
Let's walk through how a Synchrony employee would use the room reservation system. First, if they were not already logged in, they would enter their credentials. These credentials would utilize Synchrony's single sign-on protocol used throughout the company. Once they are logged in, they are able to view and manage their reservations from their profile page. You can see this employee already has a few reservations made. If they wish to see more details of a reservation, they can click on it. From here, you can delete the reservation if you wish. If you want to see which rooms are currently available, you can navigate to the Rooms tab at the bottom of the screen. The Rooms tab contains green and red indicators as well as quick descriptions that are updated in real time to help employees quickly identify which rooms are currently available or unavailable. The employee can see what the schedule for each room looks like. On the schedule page, you will also be able to see more details for the room, including the room capacity as well as its contact number. Now let's say that an employee wants to reserve a room for a team meeting in a few minutes at 10 a.m. We can see that room 4 is available until 12:15 p.m. and that the room has capacity for 6 people, which is just enough for our team meeting. The employee can reserve room 4 by navigating to the reservation tab, such as the meeting title, the start and end time, the date, and the room that they wish to reserve. For this meeting, we just want our team meeting to be 30 minutes from 10 to 10:30 a.m. Once the reservation is successfully created, both the employee's profile page and the room scheduler will be updated in real time. When you navigate back to your profile page, you realize that weekly meeting is during the same time of the meeting you just scheduled. But you realize you don't need weekly meeting anymore, so you choose to delete it. The changes will be instantly reflected in your profile page and in the Rooms tab. You can see that room 6 is now available. Your colleague wants to try out the new room reservation system. You log out of your profile.